Unraveling the mystery. To be on the prowl. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often crops up in movies, books, and everyday conversations. To be on the prowl. Stick around as we unravel its meanings, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. To be on the prowl is a phrase loaded with imagery. At its core, it describes someone or something that is actively searching for something or someone. This search is not just any casual look around. It's intense, focused, and often with a specific goal in mind. The origins of this phrase lie in the animal kingdom, where predators prowl for their prey, moving stealthily and with purpose. Hunting for prey, in its most literal sense, to be on the prowl, can describe an animal in the wild searching for its next meal. However, this literal meaning extends metaphorically to human behaviors as well. Social and romantic connotations. When used to describe people, to be on the prowl often carries a social or romantic nuance. It can imply that someone is looking for a romantic partner, often in a nightlife setting like bars or parties. The implication here can sometimes be negative, suggesting a sense of desperation or predatory behavior. General search or quest. Beyond the romantic implications, this phrase can also refer to anyone searching for something with intent. This could be a job seeker on the hunt for new opportunities, a shopper looking for the perfect purchase, or a detective searching for clues. Now that we know what it means, let's talk about how to use it in sentences. After his breakup, he was on the prowl for a new relationship. The cat is on the prowl for mice in the garden. I've been on the prowl for rare books lately. Remember, the context in which you use the phrase can change its connotation. It's always good to consider the situation and audience before using it. And that wraps up our exploration of to be on the prowl. Whether you're delving into the depths of English literature, watching your favorite show, or engaging in conversation, you're now equipped to understand and use this phrase with confidence. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.